In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front license plate bracket on your Nissan Altima. If you have a plate on your front license plate bracket, go ahead and remove the two screws that will be holding it on. There's two 10mm bolts. Go ahead and remove those. Recommend cleaning under your front license plate bracket once it is removed. Install the new front bracket. Start these screws by hand. And tighten them down. Once your new one's on, go ahead and transfer your new plate and just put the screws back in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.